Welcome. If you've ever marked posts as not interested on Instagram but later changed your mind, you might be wondering how to remove those posts from your not interested list. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you the updated steps to take control of your Instagram feed and undo those choices. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. From the menu that appears, find and tap on Not Interested under the Suggested Content section. This is where Instagram keeps track of all the posts you've previously marked as not interested. It's a handy feature if you want to revisit your choices and make some changes. Now, you'll see a list of posts that you've marked. To start editing, tap on the Select option. This allows you to choose one or more posts that you want to remove from your not interested list. Go ahead and tap on the post or posts you want to bring back to your suggested content. After you've made your selection, look for the Remove button and tap it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, so just tap Confirm to finalize the removal. That's it. The selected posts will no longer be on your not interested list, and you might start seeing similar content in your feed again. Managing your Instagram experience is all about staying in control of what you see. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your preferences and keep your feed fresh and relevant. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.